big old hook.
You can never tell what will happen in a race. That's why I like to be prepared.
Come on, let's get back in the race.
Let's go.
I'm so far out in front, those slugs will never catch up with me. I'm going to win this race.
Come on, everyone, I just see. I know me where I need to be. Go, 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 go. You can't go back, you go too fast. Go, 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 go.
Okay, I think I better get him out.